Brandon with Unplug RV, and we just got in a 2021 Forest River Wildwood 207BHS. Big pass-through storage up front. A lot of manufacturers will make a similar model. Some of them don't have full all the way through storage because they'll put the water tank there. This one has stabilizer jacks on all four corners. Plenty of ground clearance. Nice big electric awning. There's an LED light strip inside there. Spare tire on the back. Bumper prepped for a backup camera. Here's your freshwater dump, your gray and your black dump. There is a city water connection, a winterization connection, power plug, slide outs on this side, no body damage. Spot for 2 propane tanks. A lot of these smaller single axles you'll see often only have one. Coming in, big queen bed up front, shelf overhead, dinette that'll make down into a bed, overhead air conditioner. Again, a lot of these smaller ones will have smaller air conditioners that are just on the sidewalls. A lot of countertop space for a little trailer. 3 burner cooktop, microwave, nice storage there. Double door fridge, again a little larger. Oftentimes you see a single door here. These are the kids' bunks area. We'll head into the bathroom. Toilet with a little tub, shower, skylight, exhaust fan, a little bit of storage. No carpet, easy to keep clean. Comfortable size, so it's easy to drive and park. If you have any questions, give us a call.